Hi and welcome to another video from Gamify. In this video, gamification and video game marketing go head to head. Let's get into it.
Perfect.
When it comes to gamification, there's often a divide between what it is and how it can be used effectively. Where things can sometimes get a little confusing is the difference between gamification marketing and video game marketing, aka Advergaming.
I request special permission to visit you on a mission to McDonald Land.
Wow, permission granted, Astor. Come on down.
Woohoo!
But don't worry, Gamify is here not only to show you the differences between the two, but to also show you the best ways to use both gamification and video game marketing. We could talk about gamification for hours, but to keep things nice and simple, gamification looks at how adding game mechanics and ideologies to non-game or real-world frameworks, such as receiving points or badges for spending more time on an online store, can trigger motivation within customers. These frameworks can vary from e-commerce to marketing strategies, all the way through to referral programs. So why use gamification? Where gamification comes into its own is in both customer engagement and brand loyalty. The more positively engaged your customer is with your brand, the more likely they're not only to purchase more frequently, but to also refer your product or service to their friends. And when they do refer their friends, either by email or social media, gamification strikes again with a shiny referral program, rewarding both your existing customer with credits while also giving your new customer a warm welcome with a tasty discount for a positive user experience that increases brand awareness. So, what is video game marketing?
Hey, let's start the game.
Video game marketing, or Advergaming, just like gamification, revolves around increased engagement from users, points, and rewarding the customer. The difference being that the application is within the bounds of a branded video game, developed with the sole purpose of marketing a brand or a product.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
There's also a difference in how and when a video game marketing campaign is used within the customer lifecycle. Where gamification often scales with the customer as they grow with your brand, video game marketing is often at the beginning or middle of the customer lifecycle. The desired outcomes of video game marketing are often different as well, with video game marketing more often focusing on lead generation, positive brand association, and product promotion. Brands have been using video game marketing for decades now. While most examples these days come in the form of mobile gaming, the earliest example dates back to 1983 in an arcade release called Tapper. The arcade game targeted bars to promote a new beer and was so popular that the game got an unbranded public release. So what are some of your favorite video game marketing examples? Let's hear them in the comments below. And as always, for more information about gamification, head to our website at gamify.com. See ya.